Hello there everyone, welcome to my channel, and then in this tutorial video we will solve another machine problem in C programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, supporters, and subscribers to my channel. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please click the like button. Don't forget to share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's get started. Problem number 1, design a program that will ask the user to give a number, and then the program will compute the sum of all digits of the given number using while loop statement. So we have here the solution. The file name is sum_digits.c. It is created by yours truly, Jake Rodriguez Pomperada, MIT. I am a science research specialist too at Technological University of the Philippines, Visayas. My address is Capitan Savi Street, Talisay City, Negros Occidental, Philippines. And then currently I am accepting computer programming jobs, information technology consultancy, IT support. You can reach me in my personal email address at jrpomperada@gmail.com. And then the tool that I'm using in writing this program is Dev C++ version 5.11. And then the date of the creation of this program is December 25, Christmas Day 2021 at 9:46 p.m. that is Saturday. Okay, so we have here line number 18, sharp includes tday.h. It is a standard input-output header file in C. It is used primarily for accepting input values, basic commands in C language. Line number 20, int main. It is a function. It is a starting point of every C program. 21, left curly bracket, long int num. Long integer num r in sum, which I initialize into 0. Now, there are some beginners that are new in C programming. What is the significance of initializing a variable to 0 if we are using integer, float, double in C language? The primary reason that we are initializing these variables to 0 is that if we don't put any initial value, there are some chances during the compilation process that when we run a program, the result that is being given to us by our program is not correct, erroneous by the compiler. So in order to avoid that thing to happen, so we initialize. And then it is a good computer programming habit also, good programming practices rather. So line 23 to new line, and then printf to new line. Backslash n is horizontal tab, skip sequence character in C language. Line number 24, we have here the title, sum of digits using while loop statement in C. Backslash t is horizontal tab. We have also two new line here. Line number 26, give a number, scan, percent, and num. So in this portion of our program, we are asking the user to give a number. Sum equals 0, another value here, and then using while loop statement, while num not equal 0, r, we have here begin curly bracket, r stands for remainder equals num, modulus checking for remainder 10, r plus or equals r, num divide equals 10. And then close, we are closing our while loop statement here, new line. The total sum of digits is %diff because it is an integer sum, new line, end of program to horizontal tab, which informs the user that the program has been ended its execution. And then printf, new line again, and then right curly bracket. to close the main function of our program. Don't worry guys, because I will put a link in the description of this video tutorial so that you can download the complete source code in my two websites for free. Okay, so the next thing that we will do is to execute our program. We go to execute, compile and run. Okay, our program is running already. As you can observe, no, it from source code, it compiled into executable file that is sum_digits.exe. So sum of digits using while loop statement in C give a number. Let's say we have here 468 or 468. The total sum of digits is 18. 4 plus 6, we have 10, plus 8, we have 18. End of program. So our program is working properly. Okay, for the last time, let us run. Let's see, 7 1 3 4. Okay, so 7,134. The total sum of digits is 15. 7 plus 1, we have 8. Plus 3, 9, 10, 11. Plus 4, we have 15. End of program. So this is the end of our tutorial video guys on how to write sum of digits using while loop statement in C programming language using Dev C++ version 5.11 IDE. Thank you so much guys for watching. If you do like this video, don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. Merry Christmas everyone. I hope that you have a joyful holiday this 2021. Again, don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.